Hello friends, today in this video we will get to know about our fundamental rights. First of all, what are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are rights to which every Indian is entitled simply because he or she is a human being. In a democracy, every citizens have certain rights that the state cannot take away from them. These rights guarantee equal opportunities and privileges to all Indians, and they generate a feeling of protection to all Indians, especially to the marginalized sections of the society. Next, the fundamental rights in India are as follows. They are right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to education, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. We will discuss about all these rights in few words. Let's start. First, right to equality. Right to equality includes equality before law. No one can be discriminated on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender, or place of birth, and equality of opportunity in matters of employment. The weaker sections of the society are protected by certain laws. For example, reservation of seats in schools and colleges and in government jobs. The practice of untouchability has been made punishable by law. Next, right to freedom. Right to freedom provides every citizen of the country the freedom of speech and free expression of thoughts. People can assemble peacefully without any arms. They can settle in any part of the country and practice any trade of their choice. Freedom does not give absolute freedom. It has restrictions so that the freedom of others is not affected. Next, right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion gives the freedom to choose any religion they want to practice. No one can be forced to practice any religion. Next, right to education. Right to education provides free and compulsory education for all children from the age of 5 to 14 years. Next, right against exploitation. Right against exploitation bans child labor and using people in any unfair way. No one can be forced to work without his or her wish or without wages. Next, cultural and educational rights. Cultural and educational rights gives people of minority groups like Christians, Sikhs, Muslims, etc. the right to preserve, protect and develop their customs, traditions, culture, language or script. It protects the interests of the minorities and the right to set up their educational institutions. Next, right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies provides the right to ask for justice in a court of law if a citizen feels that his or her fundamental rights have been violated. However, it is noted that fundamental rights can be suspended in times of emergency. Every citizen has the right to protest against a government action if they feel it is wrong. But these protests must be carried out peacefully with respect for the law and for the rights of others.